Well, with India aiming to be a superpower in the coming years, all eyes are in the country's upcoming technologies and innovations. Trying to catch them young was a competition organized between various engineering colleges to pick the best engineering design and innovation. Take a look.
Engineering colleges from around the country were in the city to battle it out for the title of the best innovation. The event, that was organized by a popular engineering service company, had colleges from across the country that were selected on basis of merit and their unique innovation. While there were colleges from Coimbatore, Delhi and Chennai, the college that was selected from Bengaluru was Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering.
The first team I would like to introduce is, of course, our Bengaluru team, and Dayanand Sagar is representing this competition from Bengaluru. Let's find out what is their innovation. High Clean Spider Boat, what is it all about?
Basically, this is a glass facade cleaning robot which works on the principle of suction and can be used to clean vertical glass surfaces.
Okay.
So currently in India, the glass cleaning market is around 60 crores. So there is a lot of building maintenance units that's been installed. So they cost somewhere close to 25 lakhs to 1.25 crores. But instead they can use the robot maybe 10% of the fraction cost. So that's the main advantage of this robot. So we'll be replacing the high hold machines with the fantastic robots.
A total number of 1,400 entries were received, out of which only 10 colleges were selected. The event was organized with an aim to promote engineering excellence and grow interest in core engineering as an exciting and a challenging option.
Yeah, see, Engineum is a platform for all the engineering students who have done, who are in the core engineering field, who have done projects to showcase their projects. But the main purpose of Engineum is really to encourage students to go into core engineering and continue their dream and career into core engineering. When I say core engineering, it's mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electronics, mechatronics, things like that. Generally there has been a lack of understanding in the industry, from the industry into the academia, in terms of the kind of opportunities exist for people to pursue their core engineering. So we are trying to really create a platform which really makes it obvious for people to continue their dreams in core engineering.
The winner of the competition was Jamia Millia Islamia College of Engineering from New Delhi with their innovative electronic auto rickshaw. Nabila for News 9.